We are seeing stocks still in the red, but sort of bouncing off the lows a little bit. The Dow, instead of being down 500 points, is now down almost 400 points. The S&P 500 now off about 1.4%. The NASDAQ composite off by nearly 2% on the day. Let's dig into it and look at some of the movers that we are watching here in this session. I'm going to go to the sector action here and see what's on the move on the day. There's the year-to-date action. I'm going to switch it back on over to what's going on today. So we see utilities actually is the lone group that's in the green here today. Consumer discretionary, not surprising given what we're hearing from more retailers like RH. Tech is down, materials down, energy down, and financial. So a lot of big pretty weighty drops here within the major averages that we're seeing. One more look at the quarter to date, too, as we are finishing out the quarter today. Everything in the red on the quarter, guys, and consumer discretionary has been the worst performing group. So yeah, as we wrap up this quarter, I mean, bummerish. I think that was the word that you liked that I used earlier.
We had bummerish. We had shruggy face as well. Awful. We've also had dip of the dippity dip.
Yeah, just waiting for the next retailer earnings warning here. RH, that quarter was disturbing. You're seeing the sell-off accelerate in that stock. And as for me, I'm going to put some air in my tires. I really like those tips from Robert Sinclair. Home run.
That's how you keep the car going and save some money.
Yeah, that was a really good tip. I like that. Put your air in your tires to increase your fuel efficiency. By the way, Walgreens, the top trending ticker on Yahoo Finance. That's not helping stocks overall. The stock is down by 5% after earnings. RH, which you mentioned, is down 11% after earnings. And you pointed this one out to me, Saz. Canopy Growth down 18%. Maybe because of some chatter around Constellation Brands, which owns a stake in the company.
We'll put that question to Bill Newlands, Constellation CEO. He'll be on the show tomorrow morning. But they've been very adamant they want to keep Canopy. So interesting to see that stock. That move suggests perhaps they divest that stake.
Yes, we will keep an eye on it. And we will ask Bill about that tomorrow.